I replaced my entire bedside setup with just one device. And honestly, I didn't expect it to work this well. Let's be real. Most setups are a complete mess. You've got a charger for your phone, another for your watch, one for your earbuds, and then a separate alarm clock sitting there doing its own thing. It's cluttered, it's annoying, and every single night you're plugging and unplugging cables like it's a routine. And somehow, even after all that, it still doesn't feel clean or organized. So I wanted something simple, one setup that could handle everything without the chaos. And that's where this comes in, the TobenONE 6-in-1 wireless charging station. At first glance, it looks minimal, but once you start using it, you realize this is way more than just a charger. It's your charging hub, your alarm clock, your nightlight, and, honestly, a full desk upgrade in one compact setup. It's one of those products that quietly fixes multiple problems at once. Inside the box, you get the charging station itself, a Type-C cable, a power adapter, and the usual paperwork. Nothing overcomplicated, just everything you need to get started right away. Now, design-wise, this thing is clean. It's built with a mix of ABS, PC, and silicone, so it feels solid and well-finished, not cheap at all. It also has a bit of weight to it, which means it stays in place when you dock your phone. The layout is super intuitive too. The main highlight is the 3-in-1 wireless charging. You can charge your phone, your AirPods, and your watch all at the same time. No extra cables needed. And the MagSafe magnetic feature makes it even better. You just bring your phone close, and it snaps perfectly into place. It's strong, it's satisfying, and it works every single time. You can even use your phone in portrait or landscape while it's charging, which is perfect for watching content or taking calls. In terms of charging speeds, you're getting up to 15 watts for your phone, 5 watts for your earbuds, and 2.5 watts for your watch, all simultaneously. It's not the fastest compared to wired charging, but for overnight use, it's more than enough. Now, here's where it gets more interesting. The built-in alarm clock. This isn't just a basic display. It actually supports dual alarms, which is super useful if your schedule is unpredictable. You can also switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats depending on your preference. And the snooze feature is surprisingly satisfying. When the alarm rings, you don't have to search for a tiny button. Just tap the side and it snoozes for 5 minutes. If you want to turn it off completely, just press and hold. Then there's the nightlight. You get 3 brightness levels, low, medium, and high, so you can adjust it depending on your environment. And the cool part? You can even control the brightness with your voice, so you don't have to reach out in the dark.
Hello light.
I am here.
Turn on the light.
Light turned on.
Dim the light.
Light set to dim.
Max brightness.
Light set to brightest.
Timer for 5 minutes.
Time 5 minutes.
Cancel the timer.
Timer cancel.
That small feature actually makes a big difference in daily use. On top of that, the phone stand is adjustable up to 70 degrees, so you can set the perfect viewing angle while charging. Whether you're watching videos, checking notifications, or on a call, it just works. It works with a wide range of devices too. iPhones from the 12 series onwards, Samsung Galaxy phones, Apple Watch Series 2 to 10, and most wireless earbuds. So it's not just limited to one ecosystem. So if you want a clean, minimal, and smart charging setup that also replaces your alarm clock and night lamp, this is a solid upgrade. It's perfect for people who use multiple devices and care about aesthetics. But if you're just looking for a simple charger or something portable, this might be more than what you need. So the real question is, would you replace your entire setup with this? Let me know in the comments, and if you're into clean, functional tech like this, make sure to stick around.